In this video, I'm going to show you how to add reviews to your product. Head to your Shopify, go to your homepage, and either search within the apps right here or in the search corner. Click on Add Apps, and then you are going to click Find More Apps right here. If you find the app that you would actually like, something like looks product reviews, you can click on Add. Let's click Add right here. And this will prompt us with a bigger much page that have more apps. So product reviews is the first thing that pops up. Right here, we are going to find the pricing for this service. Let's first of all click Add Up. And I recommend the premium or the more paid version with this. So as I said, this app needs access to customer and store information. View customer information and need its store information as well, the contact information and daddy. Click Install App, and then you will be loaded into this page of installation. Keep in mind that my product has to either be connected with the AliExpress or Alibaba or whatever website you are using. It needs authentication. Give it authentication by clicking Continue. I'm going to close this page. I'm going to stay on my store, and let's go back here. Let's close this pop-up. And as you can see, it says, please wait. Now that you have installed the product reviews app, you can add product reviews and ratings to your online store. You see reviews, open theme you would like to customize, select the product template you'd like to add, click add section, select reviews from the list of apps. So let's reload our page. As you can see right here, verify black app blocks are working. As you can see, let's continue without verifying, I guess. And let's go to our app right here. Let's go to this. Add a section. And then we will search review. Nothing pops up. So let's make sure add section reviews right here. Copy it. Reviews. And since if no app actually appears, give it some time. Go back to your online store. Let's open our online store right here again. And as I said, for reviews, you're going to have reviews. For rating, you'll have to add a block, not a section. Let's click on Customize. And as you can see, after choosing our product, head, as I said, to either, add a block. And here we can find our reviews. You can add the review right there. It's going to take a couple of time. And as you can see, customer reviews right here. Click on down to make it much lower. And that's basically it in essence. Now we're making it much lower. I want it under the buy now button. So yeah, now it looks perfect. You can add a review, write a review right here, and this will pop up, submit the review. And that's basically it.